Using templates. In Microsoft Excel, templates allows us to set up a spreadsheet and then apply it to the screen. We can make use of available templates, or we can set up our own templates. You can find template under File menu. You go to the New tab. Under this, there is a list of available templates such as blank workbook, recently used ones, sample templates, my templates, where you can create a template on your own, or new from existing, in which you can create a template from an existing spreadsheet. You can also take the help of Office.com templates to choose from the already developed templates. Let's see the sample templates. There we can see a variety of different templates. Here I can choose the template. Let's say I would like to take the expense report. Then I will click on Create. So you can see the expense report appear on the screen and you can start typing in. Now the concept behind a template is that you cannot save over it. If I go up to the Save button, it automatically asks me what would I like for the name of this template. It instantly changes it into a workbook. I'm going to cancel and point out the name. Have a look on the top. It says Expense Report 1. That's the name of the template. The change between the templates and simply typing over a file is the protection of not copying over your file. I can't accidentally hit save and have it overwrite my old file. The template will always ensure to rename it. Now, I can go back to the File menu. Go back to the New tab and I can select a template that I have created from my templates. Each of the templates will appear that I have created. For example, I want to see a template called Months. I'm going to click on OK and there is the template available on the screen. One more time, back to File menu, go back to New, and now I can select a template from Office.com. Here I'm going to choose Agenda. Notice it takes me online. I'll need to download this template, and when I do, I now have a conference agenda that I can use. You can change anything you want to. I can decrease my font sizes, I can change my widths, I can change coloring, text. It's a normal spreadsheet. The safety built into the template is the fact that when I go to save, it'll automatically ask me to save it with a new name. Remember, also the purpose of the template is to save time, formatting, layout, fonts. These are all done for me. A template can be a completely blank document that just chooses styles, or it can be a complex document where we change individual items such as this agenda. You can make use of these templates to save your time.